In today's video, I am going to share a powerful homemade hair conditioner to get smooth, silky and shiny hair permanently. Your hair becomes thick and long without using any chemicals. Before we go ahead with this recipe, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more hair care tips.
Ingredients:
Rice. Rice is used as natural conditioner. It helps increase hair volume, better hair shine and appearance, stronger follicles, repair to cuticle damage and dandruff prevention. Argan oil. Argan oil can moisturize your hair and scalp and protect your hair from everyday damage. To buy this oil, please check out the description below. How to prepare. First we need to take 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooked rice in a bowl. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of argan oil to it. Now add ½ cup of water and blend all the ingredients using a blender. Blend until we get a smooth mixture. Then strain the mixture in a bowl using a strainer. After hair wash, apply this rice conditioner on your hair and leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, rinse your hair with water. Pour the leftover rice milk in an ice cube tray and freeze in the refrigerator. To use the frozen cubes, take 1 or 2 rice cubes in a bowl and let them melt in room temperature. And you can apply this on your hair. Pop the leftover cubes out and store them in the freezer for later use. You will notice the result from the first use itself. Your hair will grow abundantly and you will get soft, smooth and shiny hair. Try this remedy and send your feedback in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you tap the thumbs up button for this video and consider subscribing for more contents.